But let's connect with the management of Greenlam Industries then. Remember that the company did deliver its Q4 numbers. It's been a good set of numbers delivered by the company. Revenues have grown by close to 8%. EBITDA as well strong. Net profits higher by 32%. Saurabh Mittal, the MD and CEO, now joins us on the show. Hi Saurabh, good afternoon. Thank you for giving us your time on ET now, and congratulations. Good recovery seen for Greenlam post Q3. The top line growth as well has been okay. Tell us a bit about your volumes and what has helped you put in this 8% growth.
Well, as you know, Q3, we had a degrowth because of the demonetization challenge. Q4 has been reasonably good. So the business grew primarily in the laminate segment where the volumes grew about 11-12%, and the value also grew in the similar range. In the veneer and allied segment, we did recover from the debacle in Q3, but yet we still had a degrowth in that segment slightly. Although margins improved because losses in the new businesses reduced a bit. So that's how we ran the Q4. Capacity utilizations in the laminate business were at the peak at nearly 110%. So we did fairly well in the laminate segment, but I think in the other segments we still need to do more.
In your margins, like I understand there has been some expansion over there, but a very minor expansion. If you could tell us firstly, among your businesses, which one is the one that contributes significantly to your margins, and what can we expect going forward?
Well, the laminates business is the core business of the company. So close to 85% of our revenues comes in from the laminates business. And we're expanding our laminates capacity at the Nalagarh plant by about 20%. So 2 million sheets capacity gets added on at Nalagarh, which will go on stream probably in the month of June. And we should expect the entire company's business to grow by about 10-12% in top line in financial year 18. Yes, I think that should be a fair target for us, or fair expectations from us rather.
Hi sir, this is Nayantara joining you from the New Delhi studio. You are one of the largest manufacturers of decorative laminates. You manufacture hardwood as well. So I want to understand, then how does a company like yours grapple with the slowdown that we are seeing in the real estate sector and still report the kind of numbers that you have?
Well, yes, there has been a slowdown, but post-demonetization, we've had advantages, with the price gap narrowing with the unorganized sector. That's helped us, expand our business. We have a fairly robust distribution domestically, and we also export to nearly 100 countries worldwide. And over the last 2 years, we've added new product categories, new segments within the categories. So I think with the strategies we've taken in the past, in spite and despite of the slowdown, we've been able to do reasonably well. So I think it's a combination of the macro environment which is creating pressure on the unorganized people, and that's narrowing our price points with the unorganized companies. That's helping us, as well as our own internal strategies and our manufacturing capabilities, product developments, initiatives we've taken in the past, and our larger market presence, both domestic and in the international markets. I think all of these factors have contributed to our improved performance in Q4. I still wouldn't say we've done a great job in Q4, but yes, it's improved over previous year Q4 and over Q3 of this year.
Well, the stock market is certainly giving you a thumbs up for the Q4. Your stock is up by about 6% in trade. You talked about how you're also beating the slowdown here back home by relying on exports. Can you give us a little breakup of how much that would have contributed to your bottom line and top line in the Q4, as well as the kind of new product launches that we might see?
So the export business is close to 40% of our entire business, and the international business grew rather at about 5% last financial year. And the margins in the international business is very similar to the margins of the domestic laminate business, and we hope the export business grows by about 8-10% in financial year 18. On the new products, really currently we aren't introducing new products, but there are launches within the categories. So we have a new range launch of our flagship brand, Greenlam. We've launched new veneers in the decorative veneer segment. There are new SKUs launched in the flooring segment. So really it's going to be more execution of the strategies of expanding the market share, appointing channel partners, improving our specifications with the consultants. So I think that'll be the way forward for us.
Saurabh, I think we'll have to leave it at that. We have some breaking news coming in. The Sensex has finally been able to touch the 30